Imagine you've just completed a gig, sold an item online, or received a payment from a client. You're eager to access the funds, but the thought of waiting for days or even weeks is disheartening. OnPay promises fast and efficient transactions, but how long does it actually take for the money to hit your account? Today, we're diving deep into the OnPay deposit process. We'll explore factors that can affect deposit times, provide real-world examples, and offer tips to expedite your transactions. So, let's get started. Understanding OnPay deposits. OnPay offers a variety of deposit methods, each with its own processing time. Let's break down the most common options. Bank transfers. Domestic transfers. Typically, domestic bank transfers take 1 to 3 business days. However, this can vary depending on your bank's processing speed and the specific transfer method used. International transfers. International transfers can take longer, often ranging from 3 to 5 business days to several weeks. Factors such as currency exchange rates, bank regulations, and the distance between the sending and receiving banks can influence the processing time. Wallets. Popular e-wallets like PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller often offer instant or near-instant deposits. This means that once you initiate the transfer, the funds should be available in your OnPay account within a few minutes or hours. Credit/debit cards. Card deposits are generally processed immediately upon authorization. However, your bank's security measures might occasionally cause slight delays. Factors affecting deposit times. Several factors can influence how long it takes for your OnPay deposit to be completed. Deposit method. As discussed earlier, different deposit methods have varying processing times. Bank processing speed. The efficiency of your bank systems can affect both domestic and international transfers. Verification requirements. In some cases, OnPay might need to verify your identity or account information before processing a deposit. This can add a small delay. Weekend and holiday delays. Deposits initiated during weekends or holidays may experience processing delays due to bank closures. Technical issues. Occasionally, technical glitches or system maintenance can cause temporary disruptions in the deposit process. Real-world examples. Let's hear from some OnPay users about their experiences with deposit times. User 1. I recently used OnPay to receive a payment from a client. The money was transferred via bank transfer, and it took about 2 business days to reach my account. Not bad at all. User 2. I've been using OnPay for a while now and have always been impressed with their deposit speeds. I usually use PayPal, and the funds are typically available within a few minutes. User 3. I had to make an international transfer to my OnPay account, and it took a bit longer than I expected. It was around 5 business days, but I understand that international transfers can be more complex. Tips for faster deposits. Here are a few tips to help you expedite your OnPay deposits. Choose fast deposit methods. Opt for methods like e-wallets or credit/debit cards for quicker transactions. Verify your account. Ensure that your OnPay account is fully verified to avoid unnecessary delays. Double-check details. Carefully review the recipient's information and payment details to prevent errors. Contact OnPay support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to OnPay's customer support team. OnPay generally offers fast and reliable deposit services. However, the exact processing time can vary depending on several factors. By understanding the different deposit methods, being aware of potential delays, and following the tips we've discussed, you can optimize your OnPay experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.